What's that? A GoPro.
So does it record?
Oh yeah, a camera.
Wow.
Check out my YouTube channel. It's SpaghettiNoob. Yep. Hey guys, just got done getting gas. About to go check out a truck so I can purchase. I'm gonna see, just had a question. 3.6 liter gasoline V6 engine, or a 2.8 turbo diesel. What do you guys think? I've never driven a diesel engine before, or a diesel truck. I say a lot. I'll try and stop that. My commute's about 16 miles one way, so 32-ish miles both way. Rush hour normal traffic takes forever. 30 minutes on a good day, and then potentially longer, you know, if there's traffic, usually on the return trip. That's why the bike's been really the best answer. Arguments for diesel, better gas mileage, and then more stable diesel prices versus gas. It's supposed to be a clean diesel burning engine, but I'm not sure if that's the case. But it's supposed to get way better gas mileage than a 3.6 liter gasoline engine. And then I've seen, this might be really silly, but I've seen like the gloves at gas stations for diesel. And then, do you have to use those each time? Do you even have to use them? Is diesel dirty? What does it smell like? And that type of thing. So I gotta wear a glove each time I pump gas. This guy almost just rammed me. It might be a cop. That cop almost just rammed me. Ooh, white van, no windows. Oh, I guess back windows. Maybe I'll even test drive the truck. We'll see. I doubt they have any diesels on the lot. Probably could have went in that way. Don't eat me, Jeep. Beautiful Corvettes. Where can I park? I think I'm gonna make my own parking spot. Or just park right here, maybe. I was gonna park up there, but same. Hey guys, SpaghettiNoob here. Just leaving the dealership. Gas or diesel? What do you guys think? For a truck or a car?